friends, welcome back to Storytime. My name is Miss Jennifer and I'm going to be sharing some stories with you today. Today we're talking about cats and dogs. Do you have a cat or dog at your home? You do? That's amazing. All right, let's get started with our hello song. Can you help me clap? We're going to clap, 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 clap. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as loudly as you can. Hello! So loud. Ready? Clap, 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 clap. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as quietly as we can. Clap, 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 clap. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as quickly as we can. Hello. Clap, 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 clap. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as slowly as we can. Hello. Good job. My first story for you today is about a cat and a dog. It's called Simon's New Bed. See who we see on the cover. A dog, Simon. This must be Simon's bed. Who's in the bed? It's not Simon. Oh. Poor puppy. Let's see what happens in Simon's bed. What do you think of your new bed, Simon? You like it? Bark, bark. Okay, Simon, let's go for a walk. You can try out your new bed when we get back. Who's that? Simon's new bed. That's not Simon. Simon couldn't remember the last time he was so excited. This was going to be the best nap of his life. He quickly rehydrated. Looks refreshing. And then he sprinted to the room he shared with his best friend, the boy, only to discover a problem. Who is in Simon's bed? The cat. Excuse me, Miss Doorbell. You're in the wrong bed. That's my new bed. Did she listen? Since politeness didn't work, Simon tried other methods to get Miss Doorbell off his bed. He howled, "Get off!" He barked, "Move, move, 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 move." Is she moving? He dragged her from his room, down the hall, into the kitchen, under the dining room table, out the back door, through the yard, up the front steps, and back to his room. But, like all cats, Miss Doorbell had a, you've got to see it to believe it, sense of balance. Then Simon tried to give her a taste of her own medicine. Well, let's see how she likes this. That bed is way too small for him. But Miss Doorbell didn't seem to mind. He even tried to trick her. He has the toy. Still nothing. Simon realized he had only one option left. One shameful, embarrassing option. He begged, "Oh, please, get out of my bed." But Miss Doorbell didn't move an inch. Do you have a cat like that? Simon was on the verge of tears. He had tried everything he could think of to get that mean old cat off his new bed. But what if, Miss Doorbell, how about we share? She's thinking about it. She made some room for him. Simon didn't relish the thought of sharing a bed with Miss Doorbell for his very first nap in it. But sometimes you have to pick your battles. The end. An almost happy ending. Friends, can you help me count out some cats with me? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oops. Ready? Show me your 5 little kittens. 5 little kitty cats sleeping on the floor. Mama grabbed one, and now there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little kitty cats, cute as can be. Mama grabbed another one, and now there are 1, 2, 3. 3 little kitty cats basking in the sun. Mama grabbed another one, and now there are 2. 1, 2. 2 little kitty cats basking in the sun. Mama took another one, and now there is 1. 1 little kitty cat got stretched and yawned. Mama took him, and now there are none. Five cats is a lot of cats. My next story for you is They All Saw a Cat. They all saw a cat. The cat walked through the world with his whiskers, ears, and paws. And the child saw a cat. He looks so happy. Does he look cuddly? The dog saw a cat. Does the cat look weird? And the fox saw a cat. Yes, they all saw the cat. The cat doesn't look very scary here, does he? The cat walked through the world with its whiskers, ears, and paws. And the fish saw the cat. Do you see the cat? I see 2 eyes and some whiskers. Maybe that's what the cat looks like to the fish. And the mouse saw a cat. Oh, that looks so scary. And the bee saw a cat. Do you see a cat? Oh, here he is with his eyes and his ears. Yes, they all saw a cat. The cat walked through the world with its whiskers, ears, and paws. Where is he? Here he is. And the bird saw a cat. Here's the bird. There's the cat. He looks so small. Must be because the bird is so high up. And the flea saw a cat. Here's the flea on his tail. And the cat is so big. Must be because the flea is so small. And the snake saw a cat. Here's the snake. And the skunk saw a cat. Here's the skunk and the cat. And the worm saw a cat. And the bat saw a cat. Yes, they all saw a cat. Yes, they all saw a cat. He looks so strange, doesn't he? A child and a dog, and a fox and a fish, and a mouse and a bee, and a bird and a flea, and a snake and a skunk, and a worm and a bat. The cat knew them all, and they all knew the cat. And the cat walked through the world with its whiskers, ears, and paws. And then it came to the water. And imagine what it saw. Who do you think he sees? Must be the cat. The end. Okay. Well, friends, it's time to say goodbye, but let's sing If You're Happy and You Know It, and then I'll see you next week for more fun at story time. We're going to clap our hands, clap, clap. We're going to stomp our feet, stomp, stomp, and then we'll say hooray, and then we'll say goodbye. Are you ready? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, clap, clap. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, say hooray, hooray. All right, bye friends. We'll see you soon.